Where's that glass noise? Is this even glass? It's glass. Whatever. So today we have a hot sauce video. This one I was very interested in because Hot Ones is so damn popular. People ask me all the time, Jeff, you like Hot Ones? You watch the show? Yeah, I've seen the show a bunch of times. Didn't like the host all that much. I don't even know why. There's no real great reason. I don't know. It's fun watching different celebrities try different hot sauces and suffer. It's actually pretty surprising, you know, which celebrities can just take the heat. That's kind of cool. So I guess the concept's cool and everything. I think it got way more popular than it should have been, but that's just me. But anyway, of course, they expanded to a bunch of food items. So I got this one from a Walmart, and this was expensive, okay? Now, I'm going to do another hot sauce video. There's a little teaser. I'm not going to show you which one. It's a Melinda's, but same size bottle, right? These are both 5-ounce bottles. This one was like over $7. This one was under $3. Just saying. All right. So anyway, we'll see. This is the Hot Ones Chili Maple. It says the classic hot sauce. This is a heat level 2 out of 10. So maybe all flavor, less heat. We will see. But chili maple sounds like a really good combination. I love maple stuff. All right, so very excited about this one. I think it has a lot of potential, right? As I've said in another video recently, hot sauce should not just be hot. It should be a really good flavor, like a really good sauce, and then you make it hot. But if you start with the heat, you're going to miss out on that flavor, I think. Some hot sauces are amazing. A lot of them are crap. All right, so give it a good shake. Let's see, chili maple. I see lots of chili bits in there. Ooh, smells good. It smells like, Let me get some fresh air. It smells really good. It doesn't smell like maple. Like I thought it would smell like maple syrup with some chili in there, but it smells sweet. But I don't smell maple specifically. No stopper or anything on the top. Oh no, my little tiny spoon doesn't fit in there. That's annoying. I was going to scoop it. Now I got to pour it. Hope not to drop any. All right, little drops at a time. It's fairly thin. All right, cheers, Hot Ones. Ooh. Wow, that took a left turn quickly. I got to do that again. It started off good. And then it went downhill fast. All right, another scoop. Ugh. Huh. Oh, no. I had to check. That is not good. That sucks. Oh, man. I was really looking forward to this. It makes it worse that it was expensive. Alright, so I'm not really tasting any maple at all. It's hot sauce. It's not super hot. It is sweet. It has a metallic-y flavor. Ugh. Oh, that's not good. That's one of the worst sauces I've had in a very long time. That is super annoying. I was really looking forward to this one. Wow. If you guys have had this, please let me know. You know, if you haven't had it, I mean, if you want to have the experience, it's going to cost you $7 or whatever, but I got to try this again. All right, forget the spoon. I'm just going to give it another little chug-a-roo because I have to try to explain this flavor to you. It's like gritty. It has a very powerful vinegar punch. Not in a good way. So you get that vinegar kick, and then you get the heat from it. The flavor is metallic-y and sweet. Ugh. Oh, God. All right, what's in this? I didn't even read it. That is such a disappointment. First we feast, Hot Ones, registered trademark. Yeah, we know. Brooklyn, New York. Distributed. Okay. Fresno chili pepper mash. There's plenty of chili pepper in there. I didn't taste it though. Which is, the mash is the Fresno chili peppers and vinegar. Okay. Pure maple syrup. Apple cider vinegar. Garlic. Dried garlic. Kosher salt. Black pepper and turmeric. Turmeric's usually for color. That sounds like a normal list. I don't know why this tastes so bad. Did it go bad? Is there a date on here? Hold on. Is there a date on this thing? I don't see it. No. Now I gotta find a goodbye date somewhere. Oh, there we go. Okay. It is. No. It's good until December 13th, 2026. So it's fresh. It does not taste fresh. This is not good. And by the way, it's kicking up. Like, it's spicier. The more you had, the hotter it got. It's not really a 2. Maybe on their scale, because they do extreme heat, it's a 2. But it's not super, super, like, mild either. Gross. Do not get this. I really, really... I don't say that often because I like people trying things, but... thumbs downs. Not good. Ugh, hot ones. Alright. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. See you tomorrow. Brand new video. Take care.